Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the Behringer Virtualizer FX2000 High Performance 3D Multi-Engine Effects Processor. £105 on Amazon. I mean, a lot use DSPs these days, plugins and what have you, but it's nice to have something where you don't have to turn the computer on. And for £100, 71 new algorithms, real sound modelling, stereo 3D effects, awesome modulation, dynamic, psychoacoustic and equalizer algorithms, 11 effect combinations with selectable serial parallel configurations, 100 factory presets and 100 user memory locations. That's what it says on the back here. Wave adaptive virtual room. Well, it all sounds great, doesn't it? Accurate LED level meters for perfect level setting, extensive MIDI implementation, true stereo processing, 24-bit analog to digital and digital to analog converters with 64 or 128 times over sampling. That's good. 7 adjustable parameters plus 2-band EQ per effect. Servo balance XLRs, so not true XLRs. A 1/4-inch TRS as well, so you've got balanced plug inputs as well, a bit like a headphone plug. 3-year warranty. Well, that does sound good for £100, doesn't it? I consider in the 80s how much I paid for my FX20. I paid about £600 for that. I don't know what that would add up to in modern money. Anyway, I'm going to zoom a bit further back while I open the box here. Okay, let's see what's inside. I'm going to be using this for my, well, not just for, but for starters I'm going to be using it for my 4-voice Ramona synthesizer. So, a proper English plug, kettle lead supply as they call them. God, that'd be quite good for if anyone's thinking of making an alien landscape for their, I don't know, play people or something. That'd be ideal, wouldn't it? There we go, packaging. It's reasonably heavy, the unit. Not too long. My SPX90 was about 3 times that length, which meant it didn't always fit in some racks, but this will have not much trouble fitting in your average 19-inch rack. So what do we have on the front here? We've got a multi-segment hexadecimal display. The VU meters has got quite a few segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 segment LED times 2. Plus there's a few here to say what you're on. Delay, reverb, modulation, dynamics, psychoacoustics, filter, EQ, distortion, amp, special effects. There's also one here for percent, decibels, hertz and seconds. So not bad. So there's some continual rotaries there. Edit A, Edit E, MIDI. Edit B, Edit F, input. Edit C, EQ low, output. Edit D, EQ high, configuration. This one says mix, push bypass, and there's a MIDI in signal light. That's good. Preset button, effect, edit, setup. Oh, compare. That's nice. And store. And a proper on-off button. And another continual parameter there, I think. So that's the only one that has a push function. All the others are just continuals. And some blurb on the top there, which you can have a look at if you want to pause that. Nothing underneath. Oh, I wonder if it's got a toroidal power supply. It's heavy enough for it. So MIDI, we have got MIDI out, through and in there, and XLRs and TRS, stereo in and out, and you can also change the tip or ring, pin or sleeve to which one's hot. That's unusual. Oh no, sorry, no, my mistake. That's telling you what it is. It's telling you that pin 2 is positive, pin 3 is minus, and pin 1 is earth. That is a +4 or a -10 decibel times 2 there. So let's get a bit closer so you can see. I'll tell you what, that is not a bad little unit, is it, for 100 odd quid? But it can have all the functions in the world. If it doesn't sound any good, then that's a different story again. So we'll plug it into my synthesizer and we'll see what it sounds like. Let's just see what's in here. So we get one sticker. I always like having a sticker. And a multi-language how many languages is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5-language instruction book. And where's English? So there's things on how to get started. Just trying to get the whole page on there for you, in case you need to see that. There's a preset chart there. And specifications. Oh, it uses at 15 watts. There we are. Now, what's the frequency? General export, blah blah blah. TRS. 24-bit sigma delta. 6428 times 8%. There we are. 20 to 20 kilohertz. Well, I can't get much better than that. Anyway, that's just a quick look through that. I'm sure you can download that if you haven't got that from the site anyway. Right. Let's see what it sounds like.